On the StudiLink's homepage, tap Leaderboard at the bottom of the page, then pick a quiz subject and get started. Here are some key Leaderboard features to help you have a successful Leaderboard campaign. Number 1. Quizzes range from 10 to 20 minutes. Your timer starts when you hit the Start Quiz button. It keeps counting down even if you leave the page. 2. You can skip difficult questions, but you won't be able to revisit them.
3. Incorrect answers are penalized with negative marks, so only answer the questions you're sure about.
4. Your answers must be precise and accurate, possessing the right spellings, units of measurement, and approximations. 5. Leaderboards reset every 4 hours. Practice attempts don't count towards registered scores. And 6. The leaderboard table will reset every 24 hours, giving users a fresh start to a new campaign.